Hi, my name is MD Zamir Hassan, and currently I'm working as a video journalist at Newsmeter. If you also want to make your career in the field of mass communication and journalism, so here's the chance for you. Get yourself enrolled in MCJ MANUU. I have done my graduation and post graduation from MCJ MANUU, and last year of my graduation, I got selected for TCN Seat Fellowship Program. And after completion of my MA in journalism and mass communication, I started working for Dainik Bhaskar as a reporter from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So here's the chance for you as well if you want to make your career in the field of mass communication and journalism. Here you will get a great opportunity because not only in journalism field but in the field of mass communication as well. You can work in the radio production as well. You can work as a radio jockey. You can apart from this you can work in television. Here teacher will train you from all aspect of journalism mass communication. Thank you.